In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn this messy and ugly looking data into this beautiful looking table using two data cleaning functions in Excel. Also, I'm gonna show you how to separate this into first and last names using a text formula in a couple of seconds. We're gonna need three columns for this: full name, first name, and last name. On the second row under the full name, type equal, trim, select the text and press enter on your keyboard to apply the formula. Now copy the formula down to clean all the other entries. We have got a much cleaner data, but there is still a problem. We need to capitalize and separate the first and last name and format the table as we want. The trim function in Excel removes all the extra spaces and ignores unnecessary formatting. But to get the data clean and also capitalize the first and last name, we need to combine another formula with the trim function. To achieve this, go to the first row again, type trim, and inside the trim function type proper, then close the parentheses until it turns black. Then press enter on your keyboard to apply the formula. Now replicate the formula down to clean all the other entries. After cleaning the data, it's time for splitting the first name and last name into two separate columns. Here on the first row under the first name, type equal, then text split. Press the tab key on your keyboard to apply the formula. For the text, select the full name, put a comma, and for the column delimiter, type quotation mark, space, and then close the quotation mark, and then press enter on your keyboard again. So we have got the first name and last name for Sean Williams. For the rest, simply drag the formula down, and there you go. The next step is to convert the formulas into values, because we will delete the source data once we've got the clean version. If you don't convert the data into values and delete the source data, which is the ugly data by the way, you will get this error, HREF, which simply means the reference data is missing. So to convert the data into values, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy, and then right mouse click on the selected data, click on paste spatial, and then paste it as value. Now, when you delete the source data, nothing will happen to the data you just cleaned. After the data is cleaned, it's time to apply some formatting to make the table looks beautiful. For this, select the data again, press Ctrl+T on your keyboard to convert the data into a table, then go to the table design and then select the design you like.